What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Idle here with Milky Tech, and today we're doing another laptop upgrade video. Let's get this done. So today our goal is to speed up this laptop. It is an old i3 laptop from 2013. It's been really slow lately. I've done already an SSD upgrade for it. It helped a lot, but having only 4 gigs of RAM, it's really hindering the laptop a lot. I have over here 8 gigs of RAM from an older system that I just have lying around. So let's throw it in the laptop, upgrade it if it's not soldered on, and if it has an extra slot, hopefully it does, and then clean install of Windows. This way everything will be quick and snappy. Another thing that I think that will help the laptop's performance is cleaning the insides up and replacing the thermal paste. This way the cooling solution can cool the processor down better, and we can squeeze out a little bit more performance out of the laptop. And before we get into the upgrade, if you guys enjoy this content, smash that subscribe and hit that like. And guys, don't forget, we are still doing our giveaway, so make sure to check out the video over here and stay tuned to the end for the rules. The winner will be announced this Thursday. So let's upgrade this laptop. And guys, all the products that I'm using, like tool set, our RAM, and our thermal paste, will be in the description below. Alright, so let's crack this guy open. One thing I like to do when I'm unscrewing a laptop is to put the screws in the exact order that I took them out. So when I'm trying to put them back together, the screws will go back to where they belong. Now that we have all the screws out, you just pry the back open. So this is a bummer. As you can see here, all the memory is soldered on and is unupgradable. So she is stuck with 4 gigs of RAM for Windows 10, and that is not good. But let's hope that the other upgrades will make up for it. So let's change the thermal paste. Over here, here's where our processor lives, in this area. So what we want to do is take off the 4 screws that are holding on the cooler down, and let's clean it up. Next thing I want to do is unplug the cooler power pin and pop this thing out. There's another screw here hidden under the VGA cable. Let's pull this cooler off. This is really a very poor cooling solution. Most laptops would have at least a single heat pipe or a dual heat pipe transferring the heat away to the fins. This doesn't even have any fins. All it is a single copper plate that just attaches on, and this thing here is supposed to vent and cool it. Let's hope adding premium thermal paste will alleviate it a little bit. So a trick that I use sometimes to avoid having any lint or kind of debris from a traditional paper towel is to use a coffee filter. Coffee filter, not leave any lint on it and will allow for a cleaner surface. Add a little IPA. And scrub a dub, scrub. And let's scrub a dub this cooling solution. This is some old paste on here. So I'm just going to hit it with some compressed air just to remove any water residue, just to dry it up completely. So the thermal compound I'm going to use is Arctic MX4. It is a good all-around thermal paste. Let's put some, about that much. Let's put back the cooler. So the way you want to install a cooler, you want to install the screws in a diagonal fashion. This way you are torquing down each screw correctly, and you are putting even pressure on the CPU and motherboard so that you do not crack it. And lastly, the power connector. And now I'm just going to clean the laptop from dust. Now that we've done everything that we can, let's cover the laptop back up. Ooh, I forgot to wipe this down here a little bit. Alright. Pop this right over here. Pop it back down. Click, 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 click. CPR. Click, click. I know this doesn't do much for performance, but let's clean it up so the wife gets a nice clean laptop. Always when you're cleaning stainless steel, go with the grains. Dry microfiber cloth. And now the screen is like a mirror. And now this clean install Windows. It is easy to install Windows. First, you want to create your media disk, and then you'd want to boot up into that media disk, whether it is a DVD or a USB stick, like in this case. You just wait a little bit for it to read all the setup files, and now you just select the language that you want, and you hit next. Hit install, and now the setup is starting. It's going to ask you for a key. At this moment, I'm going to say I don't have a key, since the key is already saved in the BIOS for me. So that's one of the perks of Windows. I like that. Select the version that you want to use. If you want a Windows with no any extra software, you want to go for the end version. And now you just accept the terms, hit next. At this stage here, what I like to do when I'm doing a clean install is to delete all the partitions. So we'll make one big partition, and then you click on it, select it, will redo the partition the correct way for it, and then you just format the biggest partition, and then you hit next, and Windows install will continue automatically from that point on. Alright, it's time for some benchmarks. So I did just two very basic benchmarks. The first benchmark I did is I tested the boot time, and before we did anything, it took the laptop from a cold boot to start up in about 12 seconds. However, after everything that we've done, we've decreased the boot time by about 2 seconds at almost 10 seconds. That is not a bad improvement for just changing the thermal compound and a clean install. In our next benchmarks, we did a Nova bench, and as we can see, the post-cleaning score is higher than our pre-cleaning score. And we went from 579 to 595. And I'm pretty sure if I ran it a few more times, we probably could have hit over 600. But it's not bad. It's not bad. We've gotten a pretty decent increase in performance. Overall, the laptop now is much quicker than it was before. I wish I was able to do the RAM upgrade, but this is an unupgradable laptop. Having the SSD in there helps, so that's a plus, but more RAM is really what's hindering this machine. But overall, it got faster. And it's time to go over our giveaway that we announced last week in this video. We are giving out $100. So in order to enter this giveaway, I need to do a few things. I need to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video or my previous video. Go to my Instagram, link will be in the description. I'll need you to follow me there, like my recent post, and comment and tag 4 friends. And doing all that will enter you to win this gift card. I will announce the winner this Thursday. So guys, stay tuned. If you guys like this video, smash the like, hit subscribe, ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.